What's going on YouTube, Bailey Wise? And if you don't know who I am, we got the C6 and we got the Hellcat Charger. A little update, the Corvette door is still broken, but we actually canceled the order of the new door because a brand new door from GM was stupid expensive. Went on eBay. We're just gonna go the route like we did with the rear fenders and get a used door off of a C6 and just have the whole thing repainted. It's not gonna match anyway, so we'll have like $400 in a door versus $2,500 in a door. Makes a little bit more sense. As well, we are about to head to AutoZone, get some oil. We have to change the oil in the big cam Corvette because when we went, we burned a lot of oil. We juiced it a lot and we just need to change the oil. It's about that time. We got to do a little bit of maintenance. As well, update with the Hellcat. The Hellcat is out of commission for a couple days. The front two tires, it's time to replace the front two tires. We just got to wait to get the new tires put on. The Hellcat is gonna get the tires replaced. It is for sale, so and we've got a good plan coming. We're going, and I kind of want to get cars bone stock and build them myself and stuff. We did arrive to Advanced Auto Parts. We're about to pick up the oil. We got the most goofy exit way, but we're out now. It's a real race car, you know, save weight, so we took the door hinges off. No, I'm just kidding, the door is actually just broke. We got our big dog 5-quart Mobile one, and we got the 6 one since they don't want to make a 6-quart bottle. We got the last K&N oil filter. Shout out Advanced Auto. We've got the car jacked up, and since we got our front splitter and the side skirts, the jack will not fit under it, so we have to drive up on a little bit of wood, and then we still couldn't reach it because the side skirts, we got wood. No, I'm not really trying to die by this, so we're gonna get jack stands, then we will get into actually changing the ground. That's how fast it is, you know. Come get you a C6 that pops the wheels off the ground. We kicked over a quart of our oil that we needed while we were up under there. I don't know how we did that, but we did. So leave it to me. We're just gonna go ahead and pour all this in here. But hey, she is alive, looking better than ever. We are about to have to clean her up to throw her up on Facebook. Let's sit here and warm up a little bit, because when we did take the oil filter off, we did get oil all over the headers. Let's make sure we don't catch on fire. Here we are, the big dog Hellcat. We got it on Facebook as well, selling the whole collection. Good old cold start. You know, if we can achieve this at 21, we might as well be able to achieve something even crazier by 22, so that's what we're going for. We got to go even more crazier for 22, and we got to increase and advance every year. Give y'all a little hint, it's got a wing. So one last bye to the Hellcat. Obviously, we're still making content with the two until they are sold. So they're not actually gone yet. They're just in the process of trying to get gone. And here, we got the Corvette. Y'all can hear this boy. Chopping a little bit. It's a little mid-chop, It does look a little funny, but we should be all right. Who knows? Everything is looking good. The big fast 102 looking better than ever. We are no longer smoking, so we are going to take this boy down the road finally. Sounds good. We got oil pressure. I keep forgetting. And we got our oil pressure. Our temperature gauge is looking good. We got to go to the gas station. So we'll see y'all at the gas station, because what's a video without the gas station? It's inevident, and it happens every time. So it pretty much cost me $70 to make every video we post. So show your support so we can at least cost gas. 410. We'll pump it up, and just like that, we are done. And we got 60-30 in the tank. Let's go ahead and tighten this up and get on the road. But if y'all want to see a new Corvette get added to the channel versus a C6, maybe we bring in a C7. I don't know, do y'all want to see a C7 or do y'all want to see a Z01? This boy is cold, man. That boy is cold. That boy is cold, bro. That boy is cold. Quick 60. crap like this, and y'all listen, man. And as y'all can probably hear in all my other videos, every time you shift, every time you let off the gas, it's a machine gun. But this is probably the most fun car I've had from the 2015 SS. I didn't do much to it besides intake and headers and a tune and a Hellcat and the C6. You get the whole race car vibe. You get the two-seater, you get to turn, you go quick. Like, hold up, man. Y'all see the turns? If you get the opportunity to own a C6, definitely, like, I have no negative opinions on the C6 besides the stupid stuff that's happened, and most of the stupid stuff is like the door not opening. But other than that, like, there's no negatives about these cars. It's a fun car, it's light, and race it, you can take it through the mountains, and it's really all around like one of the best cars for your money. Y'all just, unless there's other cars out there in the price range of a ZL1 and a C7 that y'all rather see, you let me know. I don't know. The options are whatever we can make happen, and I don't see a limit on anything we can do. Obviously, we can't go stupid crazy. I'm probably gonna go with the stock option, not anything done to the car. But like build wise, I just kind of want to take something and do it on my own instead of getting into someone else's problems. We are going to be selling the C6 and the Hellcat. If y'all drop down below what y'all want to see, and if y'all want to see a bike get added to the channel, trying to switch it up. We want to keep a profit margin on it. We obviously got it before prices went up on them, so we will be making money on the Hellcat. The C6, obviously we will be losing money because we've dumped a good bit of money in this car. It doesn't make much more sense to dump any more money into it unless we plan on keeping it. It's already going to be a loss, and going into getting this car and building this car, I knew I was going to be losing money on it, so I'm just thinking I'm going to try to go ahead and get out of this C6 while we don't lose a crazy amount. Everything's limitless, and you can do anything you put your mind to, and I like to put myself in positions that kind of make me struggle to figure out a way to help afford my habits, and that's just a good way of making yourself get to where I am today. I end up getting cars that